came across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. So what I like about this is, there are a lot of informations that a client would, you look for, and there are links that they can visit. But one of the suggestions maybe I can say is, like, you have to maybe put the contact number here on the top, together with the email address, so a client would easily see it. I think that is one of the suggestions I can tell. So now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Now let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google, and what we are looking right now. This is a Google grid. And you can see you are number one right here in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. That around that it drops off quickly, these cities quickly. And one of the suggestions we're giving business on this is right now is to put another profile and a website in another corner of the city, which that you want to grow into. Now let's take a quick look. I'm gonna show it to you. Let's take a quick look how you are ranking. Let me show it to you. Fine. No. I'm gonna Control C and then find there. Now you are, as you can see, you are at the 44th position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you are the companies who are also offering the same as business as you do, or same services as you do. Now, so what we are thinking, or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you to put another profile to get you more jobs or more work to do. Now, if you're interested, or if you have any inquiries, please let us know. Thank you.